Alan Lim and Lin Wei Xiong are the same people.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
With enthusiasm, Mr. Chair. So do you confirm that Wei Xiong Lin, which Rose Nono Lin confirmed to be her husband, is also the same Alan Lim, which is the subject of the report of former Colonel Asierto and the accused in the drug case in Cavite in 2003?
Yes, Mr. Chair. They are one and the same person.
So yung larawan po na yon ay pareho din nung larawan na kasama nila si Pangulong Duterte at si Michael Yang. Kino-confirm niyo po yon, di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Now, the reason why I'm pointing this out, para po umikli yung aking ano. Kasi, nung nandito last hearing si Miss Rose Nono Lin, nangihinayang ako na wala siya dito. Pero sana, dahil may family emergency siya, nasa mabuting kalagayan ng kalusugan nila ng pamilya niya. Dahil may family emergency daw. Diba? So ngayon, napaisip kasi ako, nung tinanong ni Chairman Barbers, kung kailan nagkakilala, hindi po kinasala, nagkakilala sila ng asawa niya. 2009 daw ito. 2009. Ngayon, naalala ko po na yung isang anak ni Rose Nono Lin, nag-post ng kanyang birth certificate noong panahon ng barangay elections. At I would like to ask the COMSEC to show this post para lang makita natin na this is publicly acquired at hindi siya, wala tayong sinangkurvent na mga batas. COMSEC, please show this post. So dito, i-establish natin ay ito, Mr. Chair. Kung 2009 kayo nagkakilala, ipapakita natin dito sa birth certificate na 2004 pa lang, meron na silang anak. So please, COMSEC, can we speed up the Kanina pa po inayos na, Mr. Chair. Please bear with us.